Hey guys, just ordered a VIOFO A139 3-channel amp camera. Just came in the mail. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. See all the components. The only thing I did add to this order was a hardwire kit. I did order directly from VIOFO. Didn't go through like other vendors and stuff, just to make sure like I was getting the real product. Also, I didn't know, but since they're out of Canada, if you order in the US, there's no tax, so can't beat that. Savings on itself. I am not sponsored for this. This is out of my own pocket. I just wanted it. I actually had a Band True N2 Pro, and after about 3 years, it finally quit. So here we are. We got another package. Here's probably the whole camera system. This is probably the what do you call it? The hardwire kit. So let's cut all this stuff open. Probably got to get a new knife. If anybody wants to give me a new knife to review, now's a good time. Very tightly packaged. Wish there was a little bit of like bubble wrap on it, but you know, whatever. They know what they're doing, right? So they wouldn't want their own products damaged. There you go. A139 3-channel Dashcam. Just leave this right here in the background for you guys. Nice little box. Looks expensive. The true unboxing. Boom. Up on top, surrounded by nice hard sturdy foam. It's your main dash cam. Let's go ahead and pull that out of the wrapper. There you go. Not sure if you guys can see all that. There's all the controls on it. This model does not have a built-in screen, which is okay. I prefer having it off my phone anyway, just so I can tuck it in out of sight. You know, I don't have, nobody has to see it in my car. I don't have to look at it from outside. It's perfect. These are the little static screens where you can mount this to it if it's on like a rougher surface, like, you know, the bubbles or dots you hear up top. I will do an install on this in the next coming days, because right now it's 20 degrees outside, so I ain't going outside. We good. You got your second camera, your first camera, your second camera. This is the internal camera. You see, you can see all the infrared lights. And actually, put that over here. You got your third camera right here. This one's actually going to go on the back window. Let's see what else we got. We got a power USB cable, so you can plug it from a USB to, and it's a USB Type C now. It's not the regular micro USBs. So let's see, it's Type C's now. So we'll leave that in there. I'm not going to need any of this because I bought the hardwire kit. Let's see what else we got up in here. A lot of sticky pads, stuff like that. This, I don't even know what it is, but I don't know. Oh, alright, it's to plug in, if you got want to put your memory card in here, to plug it into your computer, you can. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is the little solar lens that it comes with. If you have a lot of glare, you can add this to the main camera to help reduce that glare. So we'll see if we need it during the install period. Also comes with a trim removal tool. Pretty handy. You're probably going to need that to tuck some wire. And what I did like about this kit right off the back was the way these connections are. I don't know if you can see them. They're so slim. The wire is slim, so it's so easy to tuck. I think that's gonna really like aid in that process of, like, you know, getting a super clean install. I really do like that wire. I mean, as far as the quality, I don't know how good it is, but for now, I do like the wire. They give you a shorter wire as well. This is for gonna be from the main cam to your inside cam, because they're both gonna be mounted next to each other. In theory, this is for the longer wire, so this is the one that's going to mount to your back window. I mean, I definitely don't need all that wire. I have a crew cab truck, so it's not going to be a big issue to like get the wires all back there. But glad that they give enough, you know, in case you're driving a Maybach or something and you need a dash cam. And this is your charger, regular charger, cigarette lighter charger cord. Like I said, I'm not using it because obviously I got the hardwire. Just took this shot real away. Actually, right there. And this is the dash cam hardwire kit that comes with it. I did do a little bit of research on it before buying it to make sure it's what I wanted, because I'm actually an engineer, so I hate, I'm an electrical engineer on top of that, so wire tucking is very important to me. I cannot stand the sight of wires. So what I do like about this is, look at this, and look exactly where it hooks up. Everything's hooked up to the top, so it's perfect, you know. And I'll never have to see like the wires, because it's essentially this is going to be tucked behind my rearview mirror, so I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, all in all, the wire kit looks great. Does it have an inline fuse? It does not look like it does. No big deal. I mean, well, it's going into a fuse box, so I guess it really doesn't need inline. But I have separate like wire taps and stuff I'll probably add on to this, just to make it safer, flusher in the fuse box. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else to it. Pretty summed up. Alright, well, if you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments. Hit like, subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot more reviews coming up. Alright, thank you.